There you go. Hello mga kaibigan. We are here in Niagara on the Green. It's Saturday today. It's beautiful weather. We're having a potluck, a family day. Everybody's off. Dito kami sa ano ni Luz Bimin sa kanyang place. There's my Larissa. There's my Belen. Hi Belen. And welcome that's Chico.
Welcome to George's Vlog.
Yes.
Sorry kuya.
Ayan guys, dito kami. Ayun lang yung mall, yung Pacific Mall. Ay, Pacific Mall. Niagara Outlet pala. Maganda tong subdivision na to. There's the yung Niagara Outlet. Ayun, kitang-kita rito kina Luz. Yan. Tapos highway yan. Highway, that's Glendale Avenue. Yan, malaking para siyang ditch. Kapag winter, puno ng yelo yan. Maraming nag-i-skating dyan kasi punong-puno siya ng yelo. Ayun sila. Ayun yung bahay ni Luz, the white one, the white terrace. Tapos dito may park. Meron ditong basketball court for the children. There you are. Nandito silang lahat because it's a beautiful weather. See, it's fall time kaya nahuhulog yung mga dahon. Kalat to.
Ito, punasan mo rin. Pengi nga.
See?
Ay, si JC kasi. Ay, punasan mo pwede niyan. Jericho din. Ano ba ito? Nipis?
That's the beautiful. Lilinisin nyo ngayon yan. Diyan sa front yard nila. See, ang ganda ng kulay. It's red in color. That's a maple leaf. See? Ano mga cousins? Wala si Jericho hindi sumama. Kasi we are limited. 10 people inside. Kaya hatid na nila si JC sa kanila. There's Marshmallow. Hi Malo. Hi baby Nono. Dinala ko rin si Nono. Maglola yan. Maglola. Yung dalawang yan. Sige, magkamukha sila. Apo niya. That's Apo.
Ay, cellphone ko naiwan ko dun pa.
Alright.
Opo, I like it.
See guys, ang kalat galing dito yan sa halaman, sa punong ito. Yeah. Ito ang kanilang neighborhood. Mas makalat doon kasi marami rong maraming puno. Kaya mas maraming dahon. Yun Yeah, ito maganda to sa gabi. Mamaya pupuntahan ko to sa gabi. Puro puro ilaw. Puntahan natin yan later. Okay, hindi kami makapag-ski kasi wala nang malamig na. Okay, we're gonna use that next year again. Alright. Okay guys. Okay, andito pa rin kami sa bahay ng aking in-laws, aking sister-in-law. It's evening time na. Kanina yung binlog ko kasi dito, yung kinunan ko siya ng video kanina. It's just like, what time is that? 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Ngayon is, I think it is 6:20 na ng gabi rito here in Canada, St. Catharines. Look at this house, puno ng ilaw. In front of Luz house lang yan, just in front. Ayan. Kasi this is Luz house. Ayan. Ito yung bahay ni Luz. puno rin ng ilaw. Yan yung ginagawa nila kanina bago kami dumating eh. Yan. Pinuno niya rin ng ilaw. Tapos in front of them, just across the house, this one. Yan yung kapitbahay niya. Full of Christmas lights too. Okay. Madilim dito eh. Wala kasi silang mga poste. Meron may mga ilaw yung poste. There you are. See? It's nice and quiet in here. It's 6:20 lang in the evening, but it's too dark. Dilim na. Ayan. Ang ganda ng bahay niya. Kasi puno ng ilaw. Pinuno niya. Tapos doon banda maraming ilaw doon. Yun yung kanina na binidyo ko yan yung Niagara Outlet. There. Wala na, madilim na. I think they're closed now. I think nagsasara ang mga mall dito 6 o'clock. But it's ano ngayon eh, it's weekends, kaya I think it's 7 o'clock. Ayan, there you go. See, yan yung bahay ni Luz. Doon may naglalaro ng basketball. Hindi din eh. May mga ilaw yung poste, but namamatay yung mga ano. Doon merong ilaw rito. May mga kabataan doon kasi this is a little park. Yan yung basketball court. It's too dark na. Alright guys, at saka malamig ngayon na. Lumamig. Probably it's ano ngayon, mga 10 degrees siguro. Okay, I need to go inside the house na. It's cold.